So today is actually the first day of Prime Day, July 12th, and I wanted to come on and show you how you can become an affiliate for Amazon. And you could get started now and actually take advantage of tomorrow, July 13th, and even today. Or if you are watching this later, then be ready for next year on Prime Day. So basically, to be an Amazon affiliate, it's not that hard. You apply, and then once you get approved, you can promote Amazon products. So to apply for that, you're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the Amazon page, and you will see this little section here that says Become an Affiliate. And you're going to click on that. Okay, I've already applied in the past, so I can't really show you how that process works right now, but you will have to enter banking information so that you can get paid when the time comes, and you may have to enter a website to show where you're going to promote the products, or they may ask you things like that. So I remember when I did this, I did have a website, and it was just a very simple website. So you could maybe create a landing page or something if that is something that they're going to require of you. If you apply and you are not approved, you can always apply again at a different time. So I'm going to show you now how you can get your affiliate links. So I'm just right here. This is just what's on my home screen because today is Prime Day and there's lots of deals going on. So let's say you found something that you wanted to talk about. Let's say your market is family, and maybe you want to do this personalized DNA kit. So what you'll do is you'll find the product that you want to promote, and you will click on it and open it up into, like the typical Amazon window. All right, and then you will have up here where it says the site stripe once you're approved. So you'll be on your product, and then you can click up here on the link, and it will automatically give you a link right here once you're on the product. So it's super easy to do that. And so then you just copy that link, and then that is something that you're going to use either in your email, or I will show you how I have used this link in my website. Okay, here we are in my website. This is the first website I ever created with GoDaddy, and it has lots of different things. I use it as landing pages for some of my, if you're ever on my TikTok, and you'll see this is my landing page for that. But when we first started out, I did things like this. So went on to like ClickBank and got the dog training, helping your cat, things like that. So these were affiliate links starting out, and those are kind of like the first things we did, Chewy and all that. Also use some Amazon products over here. You can see this Tony box and then the sea monkeys, and all these go to like an Amazon links. So I'll show you how this worked, and I'm hoping the links are still active because I haven't clicked on this in forever. So basically I have it where the link will work if you click on the product, or down here you can visit the website. It says to get your very own sea monkeys today. So I'm going to click on the product and see if it takes me over to Amazon. And here we are on Amazon, and there's the sea monkeys. So people that are interested can just add this to the cart. So also on my Fun Family Picks website, I have my journals, and some of you are into print on demand and are creating books and journals. So this is a great way to promote your books. You just give people your website. Mine's funfamilypicks.com/journals. And I have all of my books here. Now I have a complete video on how to create this. It's called, it's like a GoDaddy, build a website for your books. It's one of the videos I have in the Kindle Direct Publishing playlist here on the website. So you can check that out, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love that. And give us a thumbs up whenever you can if you like the video, and share it with others. So this is some of my new books. This is the weekly planner, social media planner, and then I have really almost all of my books that are on Amazon are here on this website. And the reason I did that is obviously promotion purposes, but you can also earn affiliate commissions off your books because basically I'm an affiliate for Amazon, and this is a product that I am selling on Amazon. So I wanted to click on one of them, and I'll take you over and show you exactly how it works. So you can, promote this product. People can come over and say, oh, I'd like to buy that weekly planner. They click on it, and it takes them directly to Amazon. Here we are. I clicked the link and we're at our weekly planner, and you can see people can purchase this. They actually do print on demand, so they don't like have all of these saved up somewhere, and if someone orders it, they print it. Then you don't have to carry the inventory. If you want more information on print on demand, I want to invite you to watch one of my videos in the Kindle Direct Publishing playlist section, because there's a lot of information about how you can get started. I also have a series in Canva. You Do That in Canva is the name of the series, and the first couple videos are creating a journal cover and interior. And then I also have a new video out on uploading to KDP. All that will help you out when it comes to doing this print on demand, if that's something you're interested in. But what I really think is cool too is it's eligible for Prime. And sometimes these are on sale. I had some the other day that were coming up on sale, and I shared that with my family and friends and just said, if you want any of these books, they're on sale. So anyway, that is the basics. And before we go, I do want to show you again on YouTube where you can find those videos if you're interested in publishing your books. I have a playlist, Kindle Direct Publishing. This is the new tutorial video to show you how to upload your books. This is how you could create a cover or an entire book using Book Bolt, and some more of those. And the one, let's see, this is the one about publishing your book. So if you want to set up your books, like I showed you my website for GoDaddy, or any product for that matter, you can watch this video here. And it does talk about the self-published books, but you could use this for any affiliate product you want to create your own website. And this does talk you through that whole process through GoDaddy. So you might want to check that out as well. And there's a lot of other things. If you're interested in creating books to publish, here is the first in that series. You did that in Canva, and this one is creating a cover and creating line pages. And then I have more down here, creating a weekly planner, and every week I'm going to have more in this series. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you. And if so, leave me a comment and let me know what else you need to learn. See you next time.